Alrighty, problem number 13. Hardest part about solving this problem is drawing your diagram, in my opinion. So we have Juliet. She's chilling up on some balcony, hanging out. So she's standing up here, and she's looking out across her domain. I guess it's Juliet. Let's give her some nice red flowy hair, whatever. Oh, look, she's got a dress on. Cool. So she's chilling up on this balcony, and we know that the height of that balcony is 13 feet. She is looking out, and she sees Romeo in the distance, standing on the ground. So you can kind of picture it like this. Here's her eyeball sight. She's going down, and she's looking at that dude, most likely in the eyes. And for the sake of this, let's say they're the same height, so we don't have to worry about any of that eye level nonsense. If this is the deal, then we essentially have this triangle going on right here. Now, keep in mind what I said a moment ago. If we assume that they're the same height or close enough to the same height that the difference is negligible, we know that the height of this blue piece has to be 13. That's a 3. Whoa, that looks bad. Has to be 13. We don't know what the base of that triangle is going to be. That's going to be x. That's what we want to find. But we do know that when Juliet looks down, she looks at Romeo with an angle of depression that is 4 degrees. I guess she happened to have an inclinometer with her, or maybe she had a protractor and a straw and a weight and a string and la-di-da-di-da-di. We did that. It was fun. Woo. So somehow she was able to figure out that angle. Now keep in mind, angles of depression are always measured from horizontal. That means that that angle right there is 4 degrees, which, if you remember what an alternate interior angle is, tells you that that angle right there has to be 4 degrees. Well, we've got a right triangle, and we want to find x. So, notice 13 is opposite of that 4-degree angle, and x is adjacent. Opposite and adjacent, we're talking about tangent. So, set up your relationship. Tangent of 4 degrees equals opposite, which is 13, divided by adjacent, which is x. Solve this equation for x. Multiply by x on both sides. You get x times the tan of 4 equals, if you multiply by an x on that side, they are eliminated. So we're just left with equals 13. Next step, solve this equation for x. We need to divide by the tangent of 4 on both sides. So we get x equals 13 divided by the tan of 4. Plug that into your calculator, and you should get 185.9-ish feet. Maybe you get 186 depending on how you rounded that. Long story short, Romeo is quite far away, but that makes sense because her angle of depression is only 4 degrees. Pretty small value there.